Hey, what's up, SAEM? This is Nick Kaman. I'm an emergency physician at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, and I'm also a medical team manager for Ohio Task Force 1. That's Ohio's urban search and rescue team. We're bringing a really cool opportunity to SAEM this year where we're going to be putting first responders in virtual reality to triage a subway scene. This is a course that you can sign up for, and I think it'll be really valuable and also really cool. So check out this video. I'm Dr. Kaman. I'm one of the first responders with the EMS team. If you can hear my voice, walk to the safe zone. If you can hear me, walk to the safe zone. Great. I promise we're going to be right with you. There's more first responders coming. We're going to take good care of you. If you can hear my voice, I want you to wave your hand. Wave your hand if you can hear my voice. Okay. We're going to be with you next. We're trying to find the people who are injured the most.
Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Let me check your pulse.
My leg.
Okay, I'm going to look at your leg. Your leg needs a tourniquet. I'm going to put a tourniquet on the leg for you right now. Move your hand, please. Thank you. Okay, the tourniquet has stopped the bleeding. Sir, I think you're okay. I'm going to give you a yellow tag. Someone will be with you very shortly. They'll be right here. Don't worry, you're going to be okay.